Division of decimals. To explain division of decimals, I will begin with this problem. 23.56 divided by 6.2. When dividing decimals, we need the divisor to be a whole number. If it isn't, we multiply by a power of 10 to achieve this. In this problem, 23.56 is the dividend, 6.2 is the divisor. 6.2 is not a whole number. Now, 23.56 divided by 6.2 is exactly the same as the fraction 23.56 over 6.2. So if we multiply the denominator by 10 to convert it to a whole number, then we have to multiply the numerator by 10 as well. Thus, 23.56 divided by 6.2 is the same as 235.6 divided by 62. We write it this way: 235.6 divided by 62. How many times can 62 go into 2? 0 times. 0 multiplied by 62 is equal to 0. 2 take away 0 is equal to 2. Then we bring down the 3. We have 23. We ask 62 into 23, 0. 0 multiplied by 62 is equal to 0. 23 take away 0 is equal to 23. Now we bring down the 5. Now we are considering 235. 3 multiplied by 62 is equal to 186. 235 minus 186 is equal to 49. Bring down the 6. 62 into 496 is equal to 8. The decimal point in the answer goes above the decimal point in the dividend. 8 multiplied by 62 is equal to 496. (496) minus 496 leaves with 0. 23.56 divided by 6.2 is equal to 3.8. A second example. Express 0.68 divided by 0.09. A to 2 decimal places and B exactly. The divisor 0.09 is not a whole number, so we multiply by 100 to convert it to a whole number. We have to multiply 0.68 as well to keep the question the same. Thus the problem becomes 68 divided by 9. (68) divided by 9. How many times can 9 go into 6? 0. 0 multiplied by 9 is equal to 0. 6 take away 0 is equal to 6. Bring down the 8. 9 into 68, 7. 7 nines are 63. We subtract. 68 take away 63 is equal to 5. We have to continue until we get a 0. Bring down the next digit. We don't have any. Think placeholders. 68 is the same as 68.0. Bringing down the 0. Nine into 50. 9 into 50 is equal to 5. Remember, the decimal point in the answer goes above the dividend. 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45. Subtracting, we get 5. Another 0. Bring it down. 9 into 50, 5. 5 by 9 is equal to 45. Fifty take away 45 is equal to 5. We have two decimal places, 7.55, but the division isn't finished. Is 7.55 the approximation to two decimal places? We don't know yet. We need to look at the next number to see if it is 5 and above, because we would have to add 1 in that instance. 0. 50. 9 into 50, 5. 9 by 5 is equal to 45. 50 take away 45 is equal to 5. This number is 5 or greater, so we add 1 to the digit before. So 0.68 divided by 0.09 to two decimal places is equal to 7.56. What about part B? What is the answer exactly? This was the third time this step has repeated in the calculation. Each time we add a 0, we get 50, which has 9 5 times, and we get a remainder of 5. So for 3 times this step has repeated, and we see that this pattern is continuing indefinitely. So it is safe to conclude that the exact answer would be 7.5555555 and continues indefinitely. But sir, I'm sure you are asking, there must be a way to express this. Yes, this falls into the category of repeating decimals. The 5 repeats indefinitely, so we can express it in this way. 7.5. This 5 repeats indefinitely, so we put a dot on the 5 to signify that. So 7.5 with a dot on the 5 says that this 5 repeats indefinitely. Thus, 0.68 divided by 0.09 is equal to 7.56 to two decimal places, or 7.5 with a dot on it exactly. Well, that's it for this video. I am Mr. Dube. If you found this video helpful, if you appreciate what I'm trying to do on this channel, please like this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. See you in the next video.